How confident are you that you're going to be able to contribute right away to this team?
I can't say I'm super confident, but I know what I work for. I'm confident in my hard work, and I think naman na I can help my team in any way. So,
how can you use your experience training in the United States and this training here?
I can use my training, what I learned in the States, just to like influence my teammates. I know I work hard, and I really hope that I could mahawa sila ba sa hard work ko. So that's what Coach Jimmy taught me. Hard work brings you places.
Yeah, for the 7.0 points for the game, the
very ironic kasi my last game in NCAA, he made me cry. Now he's making me cry again because he drafted me. It's a big honor. Thank you for the trust, Coach Bonnie and the coaching staff. I hope I can repay you guys.
Facing your former LaSalle teammates,
I'm honestly proud of them, but they know how competitive I am, and every time I face them, we skip practice or whatever, I want to beat them. So it's going to be the same here sa PBA. I really hope every time I face them, I beat them.
Slip to the second round, is that okay with you?
Honestly, I don't mind if it's first round, second round, third round. Basta isang team na nang titiwala sa akin. That's the only thing I look at. I don't really mind kasi everybody has their priorities. Every team has what they need and what they choose. So I think naman Northport, they drafted me, they might need me, so I hope I can repay them.
Were you surprised that you went down this line?
Honestly, no naman. Kasi iba-iba nga na kailangan ng mga teams. It's disrespect to every other team. And of course, the competitive in me wants to, showcase my talent and beat everybody.
The character of James is taking the Kapusa, even the reaction of the song. Now, I'm sure there's a lot of things going on right now. How does it feel to finally achieve a dream of yours?
Given you've done that for Beda and LaSalle, already ka na gawin ito.
I'm a rookie, and then I know Northport has Arvin Tolentino, they have Josh Robinson. Of course, you have to climb the ranks before you get to that. That's the end game part. Pero, di mo masabi. If they give it to me, if they trust me enough, I hope I can repay them. I hope I don't choke.
But you have to your San Beda. You tell us.
I chose this kasi I want to give back to Beda, LaSalle. Sila naman, without them, I wouldn't be anywhere. They're the ones that gave me the chance to be a basketball player. They helped me pursue my dreams. Not just them, everybody around the community. I'm very thankful for everybody. Boss ECJ, Boss Terry, Bong Basilia, Coach JB, everybody, my family. Di ko na sila pwede lagay lahat dito. So I just cut it down to the two schools that took me in. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.